Dear students, today we'll discuss voltage margin and hosting capacity. So voltage margin means how voltage is controlled in a distribution system. So the basic principle of voltage control in a distribution network is as shown in the figure, right? So the voltage on secondary side of an HVMV transformer. HVMV transformer means high voltage to medium voltage transformer. Its typical range will be uh, less voltage, that is high voltage to medium voltage, for example 70 kilovolt to 20 kilovolt. Okay, so that will be kept within a certain dead band. So how it is kept dead band? By means of automatic tap changers of HVMV transformer. Okay, so the active and reactive power consumption that will result in a voltage drop along the medium voltage feeder. So because of this, the it will be lowest at the minimum consumption and highest at the maximum consumption, right? So to compensate for this, MVLV transformer, medium voltage to low voltage transformer with different turn ratios are used. So these are also called as off-load tap changers. So towards the end of the feeder, the turn ratio is smaller. Smaller in the sense, example 9.5 kilovolt to some around 400 volt. Then towards the start of feeder, right? Start of feeder, so its ratio, example, we can take 10.5 kilovolt to 350 volt or 400 volt, right? The smaller the turn ratio, higher the voltage on the secondary side. So in this way, the voltage in the distribution network can be boosted up to 5%. So the voltage control should be such that the voltage magnitude remains within a band set by an under voltage limit and an over voltage limit. So next we are going to study is hosting capacity, right? So what is this hosting capacity? So hosting capacity is the maximum amount of generation that can be connected without resulting in an unacceptable quality or reliability for other customers. In other words, maximum permissible voltage rise, that is with the connection of a distribution generation which brings maximum voltage magnitude exactly at the over voltage limit. So what is this over voltage margin, right? So over voltage margin, it is defined as the difference between maximum voltage magnitude for any given customers and the over voltage limit. So this hosting capacity, it can be calculated by P max equals to P max equals to U square divided by R into delta max, right? So P max equals to U square by R into delta max, right? What is this delta max? Delta max is the maximum del max by U. What is this del max? So del max is the absolute voltage margin that will be in terms of volts. U is the nominal or nominal voltage, right? So by this formula we can calculate the hosting capacity.